So in this video, let's discuss a few more points about minoxidil. We have discussed as to how minoxidil works and how to apply minoxidil. So there are few myths, few misconceptions, a few side effects about minoxidil. Let's discuss about them. 1. Oiling and minoxidil. Previously it was said that do not apply oil when you are using minoxidil as it would hamper the absorption of minoxidil. Nowadays, with research, you also have minoxidil with a combination of cocosin, that is a derivative of coconut oil. So we in our clinic, we generally tell our patients, if you want to oil your hair, see to it that you keep a gap of around half hour, 45 minutes. Apply oil at night, next day morning, wash it off. Again, you can reapply minoxidil. Second, once you start using minoxidil, you have to keep on using it. So this is partly true, but I would like to put it in another way. So what happens is, if you are a patient of male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, so genetics and hormone, these are the main causes for your hair fall. So when you're using minoxidil, you're getting results. When you stop minoxidil, gradually you again start seeing hair fall. Because the cause is persistent, hormones and genes are there in your body, you're not removing them. So I won't attribute completely to minoxidil. The main cause for your hair fall are these causes. So because these causes are there, so you need to keep on using minoxidil to tackle them. We have patients who do not have male pattern or female pattern hair loss. We have treated them with minoxidil. They have improved and gradually we have stopped and the patient is better. The patient has not experienced hair fall again. So it is not necessary that once you start using minoxidil, it has to be throughout your life. Third, minoxidil in females. So minoxidil is completely safe in females. We use up to 5% minoxidil in our clinics or generally in India. Even on a bottle of 5%, you would find it is written not to be used by females, but do not worry, it is very, very safe. Above 5%, we do not prescribe. Minoxidil is contraindicated in pregnancy and lactation or breastfeeding. So if you're pregnant or if you experience postpartum hair fall, that's post-pregnancy hair fall, and you're breastfeeding, do not use minoxidil. Consult a doctor. Doctor would give you something else, but do not use minoxidil on your own. It is not safe. Few side effects of minoxidil. So one is dryness of hair, dryness of scalp, sometimes itchiness. So this can be tackled by changing the brand, changing the combination of minoxidil that you're using. Another side effect that we see is head heaviness. It is not a very common one, but yes, some patients do experience heaviness of head. So let's understand why does it happen. Basically, minoxidil improves the blood circulation. So what happens is there is a rush of blood and that is the main reason for the head heaviness. So what you can do is, if you experience something like that, you should reduce the quantity that you are applying. So when we say 1 ml, you can make it half an ml and maybe initially you can keep it alternate day. Gradually make it every day. Then maybe twice a day, then do it 1 ml twice a day. So what we are doing is gradually making your body used to it. So once you gradually increase it, generally the patients do not complain about head heaviness and their body gets used to it. Minoxidil and hair wash. Do not wash your hair every day because you are applying minoxidil. Hair wash twice a week or every third day is sufficient. Minoxidil has to be applied and has to be left off. In few female patients do experience facial hair growth because of minoxidil. So there are two reasons to it. One, either the absorption is too much and it also gets absorbed into your face and it triggers facial hair growth. Second, the application is there is a problem with the application of minoxidil. So if you experience facial hair growth because of minoxidil, do not worry, do not stop minoxidil. Gradually over a period of time, the facial hair growth will wean off. If there is a problem in application, that means when you're applying minoxidil, the minoxidil is dripping onto your face, on the sides of your face or on the forehead, and that is getting absorbed into the skin and it triggers facial hair growth. So see to it that when you are applying minoxidil, it doesn't drip onto your face. You can use it, you can remove it in your hand and apply it with your hand so that it doesn't drip down. Reduce the quantity that you're using. So when you're applying minoxidil, do not apply it at night and immediately lie down. What happens is the pillow covers absorb it and then it gets absorbed onto your face. So you can apply, and when you're applying it at night, keep a gap while you're sleeping, maybe an hour or so you apply, and then you can lie down. So these are a few myths, misconception or side effects about minoxidil. If you have any other questions about minoxidil, you can put it in the comment section or DM me. I would like to reply to them. Minoxidil is very, very safe when used under a doctor's prescription. I hope you like this video. Do share, do subscribe.